How many centimeters long is the string altogether? Y'all got 5 minutes on the board. Time as a go. Number one is about one of the first things we learned this year, and number two is a thing about learning one day or two.
See, a lot of you are multiplying your 4 5/10 meters times 3, and that's great. Don't forget, you have to convert it to another unit. We're going from meters to centimeters.
Or you're converting to 4.5.
Everybody's working though, that's awesome.
That went so well.
You got about
2 minutes.
we'll do it right at 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Nice. We got 1 minute left. Thirty seconds. Keep working, keep working, keep working. Ten seconds. look up here, look up here. So, oh, a lot of colors. The board updated. So now we have a cool little annotator. So, the number was 28.6. Ooh. So, we got a tens, we got a ones, and we got a tenths. Which one's in the tens?
2.
2. No, because 20 times 10 would be 200. Remember, it's just 2. You gotta bring the 2 down. 2. Which one's in the 1?
8.
Yep, 8. Goes over here. 8. 6 is in the 10. So we put 0.6 or 6?
0.6. 6.
Tadarius, why do you think we say we do 0.6? You got a reason? You just want to say 0.6?
Darius, you're a smart guy. Come on, share with the class what you're thinking.
If you're saying 0.6, you gotta have a reason why. Just smiling at me. Alright, so if he says 0.6, if we do it, 0.6 times 0.1 is, we get 6, but how many decimal places are there now? So it'll be here, it should be 0.06, and that would be 28.06, which is not it, so that's why we do 6. 6, cool. Easy enough? Alright, over here, that board. So, I'll check my marker. We got 3 pieces of string, each 4.5 meters long. And then we gotta figure out how long is centimeters it is altogether. So, do y'all want to do do y'all want to convert and then multiply, or multiply then convert? Alright, convert then multiply. Alright, how many? So 1 meter is how many centimeters?
100.
Yep, so we're going to multiply by 100. So it's 100 centimeters. So, and 4.5 meters times 100.
Why are we doing multiplication?
Because we're going from meters to centimeters. Look up there. So, which one's bigger? 1 or 100? 100. So we're going this way, right? And if we're going that way, we're what? Good, because if we were going from, that's terrible accents. That looks like add. Get it out of here. Uh-oh. Yeah, so that's multiply. Remember, if we were going from centimeters to meters, we would what? Yeah. Good. So, back over here. So, we got 4.5. So how many zeros are at 100?
2.
So how many jumps are we going to do?
2.
Good. 1, 2. Good. 450 centimeters. All right, 1. Now we just got to multiply by 3. So, 450 multiplied by 3. 3 times nothing is nothing.
15.
15
12.
plus 1.
13.
So, the answer is
1,350 centimeters.
good.
See? Click with that, dude.
You good? Alright. So, 2 things. 1. Oh, just hit the little trash can, Mr. Gross. There you go. Now you can hit this. There you go. So, yeah, they updated the board on us, and now the annotate thing is different.
Now Mr. Grubb's totally lost.
Yeah, but, so, what unit have we been working with the last, 2 days, Thursday and yesterday? Metric is correct. As you guys can see on your notes, what unit are we in now?
Customary.
Yeah, customary is what we in the United States use for feet, miles, yards. No, length is universal.
Now make no mistake, we use the metric system.
Yeah, we use
here,
metric too, but this is one that's on our road signs. And in our football games. Yeah. So, now. Now we have some where we can use our little decimals, but most of the time it's gonna be, we have to do math. I know, I hate when I have to do math class. I had to do math in math class. Second, remember, y'all's group work hinges off what we do in class. How you guys act, if you guys ask questions, if you guys are able to stop talking and just kind of pay attention, write y'all's notes. Because if y'all are gonna take notes, we'll make sure y'all think that you can get in a partner and understand the formative and independent practice. Yeah. So, then lastly, guys, me and Mr. Grubbs did the math. I think we have 25 to 24 more days left of school.
Yeah, when we come back Monday.
Yeah, when we come back
25
Monday,
days of school.
it would be 25.
So give it everything you got.
When today and tomorrow are the last days of learning something new. Friday is our check over this, and then it's start boot camp, going back and reviewing everything that we have learned through this past year. Maybe not everything, but we'll touch on everything. So you have to learn something new for 2 whole days, and one of them is today. Yes, Tatum.
I think the start test, before summer break, are we gonna start getting ready for 6th grade or not?
We're getting ready, you're getting ready for 6th grade right now.
Yep.
Yep.
The entire year.
All
is
of you,
getting ready.
you didn't realize, I used to say at the beginning of the year, I used to laugh. When students come in, they say, I'm in 5th grade now, and I say, no, you don't know any 5th grade material till you're done with 5th grade. Today, tomorrow, and the next day is the last new stuff we're learning. Everything else is a review. I was talking about behavior, because if you guys wanna come in and do group stuff, the behavior has gotta be at a certain level,
Me and
or we
Mr.
won't do it.
Me and Mr. Groves loved it when we guys walked in and we had the stations out and everyone was working. That was awesome. I mean, we want to do that, but it's hard whenever you guys walk in goofing around, and we're not going to reward that kind of behavior with group work. Like, you guys have to earn it. Like, it's something that you have to earn. Yes, Ashton.
Do you have a test over this?
Yes. Well, not really.
It's a mastery check, it's kinda like a CFA, but it's gonna be great.
Yeah. It's a graded CFA.
And
All right.
that'll be this Friday.
All right. Any more questions? Yes.
This will be on master's.
Yes. It's basically over conversion, so it's gonna be over the metric and custom rate conversions. Tatum.
Are we doing master check today?
No, it's Friday. Alright, let's get started. So, this looks familiar, ain't it? So, again, we're working with units of length, volume, and what's the third one?
Wait a minute.
Yeah, you go. Yep. Length, volume, and weight. Now, this look familiar, don't it?
Yes.
But we don't say larger units. We say larger number.
Can I interrupt you one more time?
Yes, you
Just
can.
because I see it coming. My other classes, I told them, don't just sit there and write the answer down. These are your notes. You have to write the process of how to get there. That's the whole premise behind journal notes.
Yeah.
You write down how to do it, and then when you are solving problems, you refer back to it. So I don't have as much problem in here, but my other classes, they were writing down the answers, and then when it come time to practice, they had no idea what to do, because they didn't have anything to refer to.
Just like whenever I said we were doing the reviews for the unit tests, if you studied the answers, those answers only help you on one sheet, your notes. If you don't write the process, you don't understand how I got there, I'm gonna hand you a new problem in front of you and you're gonna go, I don't have the answer to this. And you go, well, you have the process? Nope.
Next year, they're gonna expect that you know how to take notes. We started taking notes in 5th grade, we practiced all year. Next year, they're gonna take it to another level. Taking notes is never gonna go away. You're gonna see it in middle school, you're gonna see it in high school, some of you are gonna see it in college. But it's the way we teach, it's the way you absorb information. If you write it, you remember it.
So,
Yes, sir.
to convert from larger numbers to smaller numbers. So, we're going from like yards, feet, inches on the right side. Yeah, right side. Going over here. What are we doing? We're going that way.
Goodbye.
We're dividing.
Yep.